Welcome to this interactive tutorial on Agile development. In this tutorial, we will embark on a journey through a real-world project scenario where a team develops a recommendation system for an e-commerce platform. Throughout this tutorial, you will learn about the Agile methodology and its application in software development. We will dive into various aspects of Agile, including roles such as the project manager, Scrum Master, and development team, and processes like sprints, daily stand-ups, and retrospectives. By following along, you will gain insights into how a project evolves from the initial kickoff all the way through requirement gathering, system design, implementation, testing, deployment, and iterative refinement based on user feedback. This tutorial aims to provide a practical understanding of Agile principles and practices, and by the end of it, you should have a comprehensive understanding of how Agile methodology is applied in a software development project.
Our goal is to develop a recommendation system for our e-commerce platform to increase sales. We'll be using Agile methodology for this project. Any questions?
What technology stack will we be using?
We'll be using Python for backend, React for frontend, and Oz for deployment. The Scrum Master will guide you through the process.
That brings us to the end of Sprint 0, where we've set the stage for our project, defined our goals, and chosen our technology stack. Great job, team. Now, let's move on to Sprint 1, requirement gathering and planning. In this sprint, we'll dive deeper into understanding our project's needs. We'll work together to gather requirements and create user stories that will guide our development process. Remember, our goal is to develop a recommendation system that will truly meet the needs of our users and contribute to increasing sales on our e-commerce platform. Let's make it happen.
Let's start with our first sprint planning meeting. Our goal for this sprint is to gather requirements and create user stories.
We need to understand the business context better. Can we talk to some stakeholders?
Absolutely. I'll arrange a meeting with the marketing team for Wednesday at 2 p.m.
As we move forward in our Agile journey, an important step is the interaction between our development team and the marketing team. This meeting is a crucial part of Sprint 1, requirement gathering and planning. In this meeting, our development team will have the opportunity to directly understand the needs and expectations of the marketing team, who are closely aligned with our end users. They will discuss the specifics of what the recommendation system should achieve, and what features it needs to have to increase sales effectively on our e-commerce platform. Remember, open communication and collaboration are key in Agile methodology. This meeting will ensure that our development team is building a product that truly meets the needs of the users and contributes to the business goals. So, let's gear up for this exciting interaction and work together to make our project a success.